Samsung has made it clear that artificial intelligence is a top priority for them in 2024, and we can anticipate a deeper dive into how this technology will impact their foldable phones, particularly the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6. Despite the absence of some of the rumored upgrades from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, such as the titanium build, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 still promises to deliver a premium gaming experience with its powerful processor and stunning display technology. Samsung's decision to focus on gaming capabilities with this device sets it apart from its predecessors and positions it as a top contender in the foldable smartphone market. There's been a lot of buzz around the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, with numerous leaks revealing almost everything we can expect from these foldable phones. However, one aspect that hasn't received as much attention is the IP48 rating that has been leaked for both devices. This rating, which indicates the level of protection against dust and water, could have a significant impact on the popularity of these foldables, despite not being as prominently featured as other upgrades such as Galaxy Eye enhancements. For those unfamiliar with IP ratings, they are used to demonstrate how well a device, like a smartphone, is safeguarded against dust and water. The current standard for flagship smartphones is IP68, which means the device is completely dust-tight and can withstand being submerged in water at least 10 feet deep without sustaining damage. In comparison, the leaked IP48 rating for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 suggests that these devices are protected against particles over 1 mm in size, marking a significant improvement over previous Samsung foldables and potentially setting a new standard for dust-proofing in foldable phones. Foldable phones are already out of reach for many potential users due to their cost, size, or other practicalities. Plus, we're still not certain how well these devices' flexible screens will age, given the first commercially available foldables are only turning 5 this year. But durability and protection against a threat so basic as the lint in your pocket are a huge reason why people stick with the familiar candy bar form factor when they upgrade. Along with the anticipated design changes, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is likely to come with typical upgrades seen in new devices, such as an improved processor. The continuation of S Pen support, a feature present in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, is also expected in the upcoming model. Reports suggest that Samsung might introduce a new variant, possibly an Ultra version or a more affordable entry-level Z Fold, adding an element of surprise to the launch. Despite being a pioneer in the foldable phone market, Samsung faced a setback in year-over-year growth compared to Huawei in the first quarter of 2024, as per Counterpoint research. The competition has intensified with the entry of Google and OnePlus into the foldable phone segment, challenging Samsung's position as the leader in this space. The evolving landscape indicates a dynamic future for Samsung's foldable phones amidst growing competition and technological advancements. Samsung's forthcoming foldable device is expected to be powered by the most recent iteration of the company's software, One UI 6, and is likely to incorporate Galaxy Eye, a collection of innovative AI-driven software functionalities that Samsung unveiled earlier this year. These functionalities encompass real-time phone call translations, object manipulation or removal in images, and compatibility with Google's Circle to Search feature. In a press release announcing its July Unpacked event, Samsung hinted at the significant role that Galaxy Eye will play in its upcoming foldable devices, although specific details were not disclosed. This time around, the focus is on the device being marketed as a gaming smartphone, boasting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor that promises an 18% faster CPU and 19% faster GPU performance compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its impressive display capabilities, with the ability to reach up to 2600 nits of brightness when Vision Booster and High Brightness mode are activated on both the cover and primary screens. In terms of design, Samsung has opted for aluminum for the hardware instead of titanium, and the outer display now features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 instead of armor, showcasing a shift in materials for this latest iteration. Samsung has introduced a new feature for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that allows it to be used as an interpreter through real-time translation. One screen displays the source language while the other shows the translated text. Users will need to log in with their Samsung account and download additional language packs if needed. Additionally, Google's Circle to Search feature is currently only available on a select few Pixel and Galaxy phones. Another new feature is Samsung Notes Assist, which utilizes AI to transcribe or summarize voice recordings. While Google Recorder can already transcribe recordings, the addition of summarization is a welcome feature for longer audio recordings, which are currently limited to 3 hours each and also requires a Samsung account to access. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is also 14 grams lighter than its predecessor, weighing in at 239 grams. This is a significant reduction from the Z Fold 4's weight of 263 grams in 2022. The phone also features a larger 6.3-inch covered display compared to the last-gen model's 6.2-inch display, although this comes at the expense of battery capacity, which remains at 4,400 mAh. In addition, specifications for this year's Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold were leaked online weeks ago. Roland Quant has now outlined Samsung's plans to entice people to pre-order either the Galaxy Z Flip 6 or Galaxy Z Fold 6 after its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10. According to Quant, the company will offer a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds during the pre-order period, which is expected to last for about 2 weeks based on previous releases of the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold. Details about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro have also appeared online ahead of schedule, indicating that Samsung is prepared to give away earbuds that will retail for roughly €300 in the Eurozone. Recent leaks suggest that the new foldable device will feature flatter and more angular edges, resembling the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as reported by Sammobile. This change in design could potentially bring a more cohesive look to Samsung's premium smartphone lineup. In addition to the design changes, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to sport a wider cover screen, enhancing the user experience. The slightly larger outer display, as hinted by the renowned leaker Ice Universe on Twitter, would measure 60.2 mm compared to its predecessor's 57.4 mm. This improvement could make the device feel more like a conventional smartphone when closed, addressing a common critique of the current model. Despite these anticipated upgrades, it seems that the visible crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will not completely disappear. According to Ice Universe, who has a track record of accurate leaks, testers have revealed that the crease will still be present but minimized. This compromise suggests that while the device may not be crease-free, the reduction in its visibility could lead to a more seamless folding experience for users. Should the rumors prove true, it seems that Samsung has no significant camera enhancements in store for the upcoming Z Fold model this year. According to Ice Universe and Galaxy Club, the camera setup on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is anticipated to mirror that of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto shooter, a 10-megapixel front-facing camera, and a 4-megapixel under-display camera for open device usage. However, it's essential to remember that the number of megapixels isn't the sole factor determining camera quality. The size of the pixels plays a crucial role in light absorption by the sensor. Samsung's decision to increase the pixel size on the Galaxy S24 Ultra compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra resulted in improved photo quality, particularly in low-light conditions, as observed during testing. Beyond just megapixels, advancements in software algorithms and processor technology can significantly enhance the overall photography experience. For instance, when evaluating the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2023, it was evident that Samsung's refined algorithms contributed to better color accuracy and detail reproduction. Therefore, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera specifications may not show a significant leap from its predecessor on paper, there are various avenues through which Samsung can enhance the device's camera performance. By focusing on pixel size, software optimization, and processing capabilities, Samsung has the potential to deliver an improved photography experience despite the lack of major hardware upgrades. A crucial question looming over the release of the Z Fold 6 is whether Samsung will commit to providing 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates, mirroring its policy for the Galaxy S24 series. Given the premium price tag associated with the Galaxy Z Fold, consumers are eagerly anticipating a positive response from Samsung regarding this matter. Samsung may be working on multiple versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, including a cheaper edition aimed at a wider consumer base. The current starting price of $1,800 for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 makes it one of the most expensive phones on the market, so a more affordable option could make the phone-tablet hybrid more appealing to potential buyers. On the other hand, there are also rumors that Samsung is considering an even more expensive model, potentially called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which may only be available in South Korea. This suggests that Samsung is exploring different pricing strategies for its next foldable device. It remains to be seen what Samsung has planned for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but if the rumors are accurate, it seems that the upcoming device could see a more significant upgrade compared to last year's Z Flip 5. So this is what we know so far about the specs, either leaked or deducted. Right now, it seems that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be another incremental upgrade. Kind of safe, not crazy enough to entice Z Fold 5 owners, but good enough to pull in users looking to upgrade from an older phone, or ones that are just now jumping in the foldable space. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 be better than the Z Fold 5? Of course, it's all an extra year of development and tech improvements. Will the difference be huge? We can't see it right now. The biggest change would be that screen aspect ratio, assuming the rumors are all correct, of course. The change in processor? Not such a big deal. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is still an excellent chip. The upgraded camera? That'd be nice, sure, but most people that are buying a Z Fold don't do so for the camera. If you really want a foldable, then you can go for the latest one, but if you have the last gen Fold 5 then, you should definitely wait for one more year. So, let us know your opinion in the comments below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.